In these lab activities, it is given prepare the following worksheet and calculate as given. Calculate the gross total, quantity into rate, find the discount, 5% of gross total, find the net total, gross total minus discount, find the grand total sum of net total. This task we have to perform in the MS Excel. So let's go to the MS Excel. Now you have to type this data or get the typed document from your lab activities folder. Now let's start to calculate. First, I like to calculate the gross total. Place the cursor in E2 cell. Apply the formula in formula bar. Before applying the formula, type the equal to sign. Now gross total is equal to quantity into rate. Quantity is represented by C2 cell into and rate is represented by D2 cell. Now press the enter key. Now you have to copy this formula in rest of the cell using the fill handle. Click the fill handle and drag it. In this way you have to calculate discount. Place the cursor in F2 cell. Apply the formula in formula bar. Place the cursor in formula bar. Is equal to sign. Discount is given 5% of gross total. Is equal to 5 into gross total is represented by E2 cell. Select the E2 cell divided by 100. Now this formula calculates the discount. Press the enter key. Now copy this formula in rest of the cell using the fill handle. Click the fill handle and drag it. Now it's turn to calculate net total. Place the cursor in G2 cell. Net total is equal to gross total minus discount. Apply this formula. Place the cursor in formula bar. Is equal to gross total is represented by E2 cell minus discount is represented by F2 cell. Press the enter key. Now copy this formula in rest of the cell using fill handle. Click the fill handle and drag it. Finally, we have to calculate the grand total. Place the cursor in G7 cell. I like to apply the auto sum feature to calculate the grand total. Click the auto sum option from editing group. Now press the enter key. Grand total is also calculated. In this way we have completed our calculation. You have to practice again and again this task to develop your computing skill in MS Excel.